Snow lashes the mountains like claws. Officer Elias Kane stumbles down the ridge, breath freezing midair. The husky races ahead, its fur white but streaked with shadows, eyes glowing faintly like lanterns in the storm. Below, the skier clings to the edge, pale and trembling. Elias reaches out, but the snow beneath them isn't ordinary snow. It churns unnaturally, black veins running through the white, whispering, screaming. The avalanche roars, but the snow seems alive, twisting into shapes, faces, hands, mouths frozen mid-scream. The husky yips, not happily, but warningly, pulling Elias and the skier to a jagged rock outcropping. They land, hearts pounding. The avalanche crashes past, but as the dust settles, Elias notices. The husky isn't looking at them. Its gaze pierces the valley, eyes glowing faintly, and in the blizzard, shadowy forms move, watching, waiting. The wind carries a whisper, "You are never alone here."